Babel Street, a top-tier company specializing in transforming data into knowledge, has developed a new AI product named Insights GPT. The company boasts an impressive data reservoir of over 500 petabytes, obtained from the open web and the dark web, outmatching Google's data reach by almost 3 times. Babel Street collects information in over 200 languages from a variety of sources, such as news platforms, social media, and public forums. Their cutting-edge platform empowers organizations to rapidly draw out critical insights from the data. They provide a suite of solutions designed to meet different requirements, including threat intelligence, identity verification, and risk management. Their client base is broad, encompassing Fortune 500 companies, government agencies, and law enforcement. Babel Street is deeply committed to ongoing innovation in the realms of data analytics and decision-making intelligence. This is where their product, Insights GPT, comes into play. Insights GPT is an innovative AI tool that can swiftly deliver critical analysis from publicly and commercially available information. It incorporates a conversational AI interface that allows users to ask questions and receive answers in a natural language. The tool merges AI technology with human expertise to deliver improved insights and suggestions. It harnesses AI to generate summaries, visualizations, and recommendations based on the data analyzed. It can also generate new inquiries or theories based on user input, assisting in the identification of previously unseen patterns, relationships, or opportunities. But Insights GPT isn't just a tool for analyzing data. It's a tool for exploring and discovering data, for finding answers to questions we didn't even know to ask, and for making informed decisions swiftly and with confidence. Exciting, isn't it? Now, let's see how it works. Well, it's actually quite simple. You just type in your question or topic of interest in natural language, like you would do with Google or Siri. For example, you could ask, who are the most influential people in cryptocurrency? Then, Insights GPT will analyze your query and access the relevant data sources from Babel Street's vast library of publicly and commercially available information. It will also use its generative AI capabilities to create new content or data based on the existing data or models. The Insights GPT will give you a complete, easy-to-understand response to your question, along with supporting facts, resources, and visuals. It will also recommend other related topics you may want to delve into. For instance, if you inquire about the main trends in cybersecurity, it won't only provide a thorough answer, but also suggest you to explore more on topics such as prevention and response to ransomware attacks, or the best tools for cloud security. But one of the coolest features of Insights GPT is its cross-lingual support. As I mentioned before, Babel Street can source information in more than 200 languages from various sources. This means that Insights GPT can also analyze data in different languages and provide answers in the language of your choice. This is a huge advantage in a globalized world where information is not limited by borders or languages. Insights GPT can help you access information that you might not be able to find or understand otherwise. It can also help you communicate with people from different cultures or backgrounds who speak different languages. For example, if you want to know what people in China think about the latest trade deal with the US, you can ask Insights GPT in English and get an answer in English based on data from Chinese sources. Or if you want to know what people in France think about the latest fashion trends, you can ask Insights GPT in French and get an answer in French based on data from French sources. It can also translate your query or answer into any language you want. Like, if you want to share your findings with someone who speaks Spanish, you can ask Insights GPT to translate your answer into Spanish and send it to them. Its cross-lingual support is not just a feature, it's a game changer. It opens up new possibilities and opportunities for learning, understanding, and collaboration across the world. It tailors its output to your feedback and preferences, even proposing questions or suggesting actions to enhance your analysis or decision-making. It